Still can't rule out a strong to severe storm overnight, but it would be isolated, just the marginal threat across central Indiana now. Low temperatures in the 60s to around 70 degrees, so it will stay warm and a bit on the muggy side as we look at your Friday afternoon. Temperatures climbing into the middle 80s with clouds around and the chance for, once again, a spotty shower or thunderstorm, especially south of Interstate 70. Looking ahead to the weekend, that 30% chance of showers and storms sticking with us both days.